Have you ever seen someone solve a big math problem in their head and wondered if it was magic? Today, I'll show you a trick that feels just like magic. We're going to find the square root of a number in seconds. First, we need a secret key. It's all about the last digit of our number. Let's look at the last digit of the first few square numbers. Let's find the square root of 2209. It looks complicated, but it's not. Step 1. Look at the very last digit. It's a 9. Our table tells us the answer must end in a 3 or a 7. Keep that in mind. Step 2. Ignore the last two digits of your number. Now we just have 22. For step 3, find the largest square that is less than 22. So, the first part of our answer is 4. We're so close. Is the answer 43 or 47? Here's the final step. Take our first digit, 4, and multiply it by the next number up, which is 5. Now compare this result, 20, to the number we had before, 22. Is 22 bigger or smaller than 20? It's bigger. Since 22 is bigger, we choose the bigger of our two options for the last digit, which was 7. The final answer is 47. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such videos.